Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many Clash Royale players wonder if they can use their Google Play account on an iPhone. The great news is, yes, you absolutely can seamlessly transfer your game progress. While iPhones primarily use Apple ID, there's a straightforward, official method to bridge this gap. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring your beloved village and all its progress moves safely from your Android to your new iPhone without any hiccups. Get ready to play on your preferred device. The secret weapon for this cross-platform magic is Supercell ID. This official, free service allows you to save and access your game progress from any device, regardless of whether it's an Android or iOS. Think of it as your game's personal cloud backup. Before anything else, you must first connect your existing Clash Royale account to a Supercell ID on your original Android device. This crucial initial step ensures your data is properly secured. Let's begin on your Android device. First, launch Clash Royale and navigate to the game settings, usually found via the three lines icon. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a prominent Supercell ID button. Tap this button, then choose to either log in if you already have an ID or register to create a new one using your email address. Be sure to use an email you can easily access for the verification code. With your Supercell ID secured, it's time to switch to your iPhone. Download Clash Royale from the Apple App Store if it's not already installed. Open the game, and instead of playing as a guest, look for the Log In with Supercell ID option. Input the exact same email address you linked on your Android device, and then enter the verification code sent to that email. Your game progress should instantly load up. Here are a couple of crucial tips to ensure a smooth experience. Always confirm you're using the precise Supercell ID linked to your main Clash Royale account. Mixing them up is a common error. If you face any problems, first verify your internet connection, then patiently check your email for the verification code. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your Clash Royale game, ready to conquer battles on your iPhone, all thanks to Supercell ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.